So I have this circle traced out from the aluminum plate that I had that I put all the measurements on if you've been following my videos on this little secret project I'm working on. So I have to cut this out, but I want to cut it out a ½ inch bigger than the aluminum plate. So I was trying to figure it out, and I put a screw in the middle, washer with a string. I had this other square to tie wrap the pencil to it, and I got my mark just right on it. So yeah, let's give it a try. I'm going to keep a little pressure on the pencil. There we go. Wow. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I think I can be happy with that. Not bad at all. Follow my YouTube channel, G Toolbox Talk, for all kinds of different content. See you next time.